Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to log out or sign out of your chess application. Logging out or signing out of your chess application is pretty simple, so let's dive into the video. First of all, open up your chess application. If you're already logged into the account, you will be able to see this main interface. Simply tap on the More button located at the bottom right hand corner. Now, in the expanded pop-up menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. From the Settings tab, go all the way down where you can see the Logout option. Simply tap on Logout and then in the pop-up tap on Logout one more time, which will redirect you to the main home page and sign you out of chess application. Next time you log into the account, you'll need to enter your email followed by your password. So that is how you should be able to log out or sign out of your chess.com application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.